Ka Sorkar Pdeng kala Bthah iaka Sorkar Jylla bahkan pynphai no iaka pisah ka bakat palat arspa klur tingka. Lada kamla pynbeit no kam klo iaka man kabaya de bat kakam thiet jaka na kabenta pentre kam iaka projek lynti rel harilum khasi. Haba pentip iaka ni hak arpu tarik kelalingkon umintri rangba ka Jylla ukonrat ke sangma ulaong. Ngalaya kendo ia umintri katanat railway ubala penpa ko jingso kia halor ke projek lynti rel habernihan bat kumju hasilong. Ngalada penpau syai hau haka jingalang bangidon kam ban shimlang ya ka jimun jorjing kinhun baper bat baklem dale ya kane kamlong kabaya hap ya ngi ban le da kabor halor kane ka kam. Ngala banjor ban shimlang ya ka jimun jorjang baro shwa ban shim ya ka rai ka bahe kum kane. La ban kedo baka Sorkar Pdeng kala terwa ya ke artali projek lynti rel haka Jylla kata katete lia bernihan kaba arpu kilometer bat ka bernihat shlong kaba shispa pra kilometer. Ya katete lia bernihat projek lamang man pentre haka jinglot kaban kon South Park handai pun riu klur tingka. Henry kini ki projek kilaya tengku ik jing namar ka jing persat na ki kinhun baper ki balapan pau ka jing song kya ya ka jingwan rong kertep jing ki beriu ki bana bar ka Jylla. Na kaliang ukonrat ulaong umintri ulak do ba unsa tho shen dak shithi shanga balada omla ban pynbeit no ya kane kakam hapo kalai ni Henry benai kapisa arspa klur tingka kabala ai ban thiet jaka bat kabala don bat udisi nadu usnam arjar khat nyo ngin ha ban pynphai no bat ka bakham kongsan kalong baya kane ka project on sa pendu no bat ka Sorkar kala ban pentre no ya ki project lada ki pat ki Jylla jong kathan ki don ya ka jing ang non. Ngala kerpat ya umintri ban ai kat tu ka ni kapor bangin ya kren Henry ka jing ai por kalong ka bakhem shibun. Sham la kren thikna ya ki benai Henry ulaong batang hai ki khindiat benai bat unsa tho shen shanga da ka shithi bat lada don kam ma uhi daladi unwan ban shong jingalang bat ki kunhun baper banya kren halor ka jingkong san jong ka ni ka kam bat ngin saya pet kumno ka kam ka ya ulaong.
So when I met the railway minister has expressed concern about the railway project at Burnihut as well as at Shillong. And I have made it amply clear to him in that meeting that we need to take the stakeholders into confidence, and without doing that, it will not be proper for us to bulldoze on a subject like this. And detail I mentioned to him why, and I have always stressed on taking the community and the people on board while going for a major decision like this. So Minister has kind of understood the subject, but he has also in no mixed words has mentioned that if within a certain time frame, I think he'll be writing a letter to me very soon, it could be 3 months or 6 months time, if this issue is not resolved in one way or the other, then the 300 crores or something that he has given money for land acquisition, 200 crores that has come up for land acquisition that has been lying with the DC since 2017, that money will be asked back. So we have to give back the money, which is obviously we have to. And second is more importantly that this project will be then cancelled, and the government may take up other projects if the other regions of the state are keen. So that of course I have requested that he give us some time to discuss, but the time limit is very limited. He did not give me exact months, but he has mentioned it will be few months. He will be writing to me very soon, and he said that if necessary he himself will come and have a meeting with stakeholders to discuss the importance of this, and we'll see how to take it forward. But as I said, he has given a very strong statement and indication to me that if we are not able to move forward, then this particular project, which runs in thousands of crores and which has got huge economic impact for our state, will have to be cancelled.